In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change voicemail message on Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily customize your voicemail on any Samsung device. So you will be able to customize the message, the privacy settings, what message certain numbers will receive when they call you, and so on. In order to customize all of this, all that you have to do is open the dial. So go into this menu here on the keypad, and if you look underneath the one dial, you will see this icon. So all that you have to do is press and hold 1. So on Samsung devices, this will immediately call your voicemail. Now, sadly, because of the way that I'm recording this video, I will not be able to show you how this looks like and sounds visually. But basically, by calling this number, you will receive instructions on what to do to set up your voicemail if you have never used it before. It is very intuitive, and usually they will ask you to go through the settings and use the keypad to navigate through all of the options, including the option to, of course, record a new voicemail message. I apologize for not being able to record this on the phone, but because of the way that I'm recording this video and for privacy reasons, I cannot show you all of this on screen, but it is easy to do. So once you set up, record the message, and you change the privacy settings for voicemail, there is one additional thing to check. If you tap the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen, you can find settings over here. And when you choose settings, you scroll down until you find voicemail. So this category allows you to change some other settings. You can double check your service provider. So usually it is just going to say my carrier, but if you have additional providers that you would like to change here, go ahead. Then the voicemail number, it is going to be displayed right underneath. You can change this as well. And finally, the notifications, like the alert sounds and vibration, if you would like to receive notifications when voicemail is called. I hope I was able to help you on how to change voicemail message on Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.